Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can unlock and use amazing free text effects with a brand new Canva update. So in here, I've already opened Canva. So once you open your design or a blank canvas, you can just add two apps in here. And you can find these apps called a Text Studio Maker. Let's search for it. So this one in here, click on the app. So by using the app, these apps, you can generate advanced high quality text effects fast. So you can just click on open to start using the app. And in here, you can just search the text effects that you want. There are basic or free ones. There are also the premium one in here. So just choose the one that fits your design. For example, I'm going to try use this one. Click on it. So apparently you need to upgrade to use, or the premium also may take up to 30 minutes to activate after payment. So let's just use the basic one in here. Let's try to use this one. Okay, you can just change the text in here. For example, I'm going to just write top 5 prank moments. Okay, you can also here change the font if you want to. Just use the font, and here you can change the alignment. And if you're already done with all of this, you can just click on add to design, and as you guys can see, this text will automatically add it to the design. If you want to generate or create a new one, you can just go back and then search the new text effect that you want to use. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.